For the word of God is living and powerful and sharper than any two-edged sword, piercing even to the division of soul and spirit and of joints and marrow, and is a discerner of the thoughts and intents of the heart. Look at that, bro. I read that verse so many times. When did it come alive? When was it activated? When I was talking to someone that is living the word of God. I was like, look through all that God got him through, and he's living right now in wisdom. Wisdom and understanding and peace. Peace that comes from God, bro. That's not his own peace. He's claiming it as his own peace, that he put it together. I ain't gonna argue with him. He ain't put that together. He read the word was in his heart, and it came up. It came up when he needed it. That's what the word does. Read your word. 21 days, I challenge you. Read a proverb every day, or just read for 10 minutes. Start in Genesis. Just read 10 minutes. You're gonna get so much discernment and wisdom from reading the word of God. That's all I got for you, man. Do something different to get a different result. Read the word. All right? Love you. I hope this helps somebody.